Hey guys, we received this Tagry Bluetooth headphone. It's a true wireless earbuds for test and try. It's have a LED powered display with earphone and a wireless charging case. So let's just open and unbox it and see what's inside. So this is a very nice box. So let's just take out the stuff. So I opened it a little bit different side, but that's okay. Let me just collect all the things. So it's a manual, charging cable, and the earbud case, and the earbuds inside. So let me just take out this cable, and these are extra earbuds for the different sizes. And this is a micro USB-C. So Michael, you can charge these with this USB and USB-C, and these are the headphones. The nice color, first impression, and nice body build. So looks good and the feel is good as well. So connection is pretty easy. You have to search in the Bluetooth after opening the case and then it will show up. Just connect. It's straightforward connection with the Bluetooth and then you can use it. Now based on the fitting is easy and comfortable. Here is the LED on the top and then the fitting is also comfortable and the sound quality is good with a good bass and stuff. So it fits really well, very nice with the LED display and nice earbuds.